Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS padding. And right now we'll be discussing about CSS padding right property. This works individually for every size. So for the right uh, size. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Let's back to our document. As you can see, we're having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the padding top. And right now we are going to use the padding right. Let's see how the padding right works. Let's comment this out and use our padding right property. Padding right. When we use this pattern right, let's give it 400 pixel. Let's give it 400 pixel and save our document and reload. You're going to see what will happen right inside our document. Can you see at the right side right here? As you can see, the space inside our element right here shrink, like this. The space get bigger. This control the space inside the border. As you can see, the space gets bigger. Let me decrease it to 20 so you can see what I'm talking about. Can you see when we give it 20, the space right here is having it occupy our elements inside our border is that it's having this 20 space right here. Let me control it more better. Let me give it 1000. We are going to let me give it 900 instead of 1000 and give it 900. You are going to see that all these elements borders, all these elements inside our body elements right here, they are going to shrink. They're going to shrink. Can you see when I reload? The elements shrink. Now our body is having this another space again right here to work with. As you can see, we're having this empty space. This is so nice. Just imagine, this is very, very nice. So I think I love it in this manner. I love it in that manner. So when I created this padding top, let me leave this padding top right here so that our document can look like as you can see right now we are able to scroll up, scroll down. As you can see right now, as you can see this margin at the right side right here, do you like the way it is? So we can shrink all these elements more again if we want more padding. Let's give it 120 1200 pixel. Now reload. Can you see the size our element is now taking? The size that our element is now taking is now reducing. As you can see, we are now having this big empty space, empty page from empty space from the right side right here. So don't you forget, every time notice that the padding is controlling the space inside your the space before the border, the space, every space inside your border, like now every space inside when you write any element, the space inside the element, so it's the thing that is controlling this image right here. You can find here is because it's having fixed property. So if this image is not having fixed value, it's going to work with all this, but because this one is having fixed, in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the background image, you can check the previous tutorial on there so you can be able to understand it. We can shift this one also, but we are going to use the padding inside of its own. So it's having its own padding and margin also. This is its own padding. When we give it 50, you are going to see what will happen now. Let's reload our document. Can you see it shift and it's working nicely also? So it's just that because we have already gave it its own value, that's why. So we can control its own because we are already. So when we use fixed value inside our background image, let's say we comment this out, we will not find it here again. Let's reload. Can you see? We don't find it here again. And the margin you are seeing at the padding we are seeing at the top is from here because we specified the padding at the top right here. That's why you are seeing all those stuff. Let's reload. Can you see? Now we are having just only this. Can you see? This is our padding right. As you can see, our document is looking nice, right? This is our padding right. So we can control it as much as we want. We can even give it 1004. Let's reload. Can you see the way our document it take 1004 page and it now let our element look like this? Just imagine how our element looks now. So that's how it works. Please practice this because practice make perfect. This is padding right we just used now. Let's bring it back to the way we love it. As you can see, I love it in this manner. So in next tutorial, we are going to discuss about it more better. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much.